Are you eating a lemon? Do you like it? No? I know what happened last time you ate a lemon, you vomited it all up, silly sod. But you seem to like it. Well, I've never read anything to say that dogs can't have lemons. What do you reckon? Should we get you another biggie? Come on, over here. This is the tree with big lemons on. Yeah? What's this? Yeah, whoa, easy tiger. There. What do you think? That's it, peel it first. That's a polite thing to do. Clever boy, aren't you? That's the one. And you are eating a lemon. Maybe this is the first time this has been filmed in the wild. Oh, yuck. I couldn't do that. You're a big softy, aren't you? Hey? Oh, no bits of flesh on there. That's what you're checking for, isn't it? You're checking for, you like the fleshy bits. Ah. Fabulous. Come and rescue me.